Hey everyone. So I was extended a challenge and I'm going to accept. It was from Michael Grimm from MKL GRM Fine Art, and he's on YouTube. He's also a member of my Prosh Posse. But I accepted the challenge to do a 3-in-1 cup, and I will pour this way, and we might get a wing effect, I'm not sure, but I'm going to try it. The paints that I'm using, the black and the white, do not have silicone in them, but the deep bronze metallic and the Soho gold do. I just wanted to use what I had just to see what would happen. So I ended up using a 1-ounce medicine cup here, and then I took a plastic bottom from something and glued that in there. And this was from a juicer, one of Alan's gadgets. I stole the bottom because it had a pour spout. So I'm going to put some white paint down and we're going to give it a go. We shall see how this works. I'm always up for a challenge when it's something that I've never tried or had no interest in. I did not want to do the wing pours because that was Kristen's thing, and she did it so well that I didn't want to try it because I thought mine are never going to come out like that. So we'll see if this one even comes close. So I'm just going to get this white down, and we are going to fill that cup, and I'll show you how I layer that color. And this does not have to be perfect because we'll be tilting a little bit. Okay. Get this corner up here though, because I'm not sure how much of this way we're going to come. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. And for all of you that have trouble hearing me, my mic is on full volume. I am right in front of it. And I cannot turn it up any higher than it already is. So try wearing some earbuds or some headphones. I don't know how else to turn the volume up. I have everything set on my computer for full volume, so if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. Okay, let me move this. If I need to add white, I can always use this one, even though it's a little thicker. Okay, so on his video, I was watching it. I believe the black goes on the outside. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm blurry, aren't I? I am watching the camera. Okay. So then, because I'm going to pour this way, I'm going to do half gold and half bronze. I'm not sure how much of this paint we'll use, but I'll fill it up. I'm not scared. Okay. And then in the middle goes the white. That's a lot of paint. But let's see what happens. Now you have to lift your canvas too. Just wondering if I have enough black in there. I should be alright. This is an experiment challenge, right? But instead of me lifting the canvas, I think I'm going to prop it up just in case I have to let go. Alright, let's try. I'm going to put this here to keep us focused. And I'm sorry about the glare. But let's go. So I have one side of my wing gold and one side bronze. I totally did that wrong, didn't I? But that's all right. So you might also want to thin your paint just a little bit. As soon as I see the white stop, then I will stop as well. We are at the end of the canvas, so I think we're good. I think we're good. So I'm going to go ahead and drop it down. I do have some bronze that went into that white there. Okay, so I want to see where all my paint's at. It's about even, so I think we can tilt this way a little more. Alright, now we'll come back a little bit. I want to open those wings up just a little bit. Without going over. Yeah, I think it would be better without silicone. I'm not digging the cells. So I gave it a go. I know if I stretch this more, we're gonna get more cells. That's my fear. I'm waiting for that to go over. I better take it all the way. But I definitely will try this again at some point. Yeah, it's really selling up now. So if you're gonna do this with the 3-in-1 cup, don't use silicone. Only my gold and the deep bronze had it. But it's still kind of cool. I'm still kind of digging it. I'm going to tip this back a little bit. So my challenge to Michael was to do a Boilermaker, so he'll be posting that soon on his channel, I'm sure. But I thought while I had a few today, I was going to get this done. Those cells are going to continue to come up through that gold. But I'm not hating it. That's for sure. So there you go. Those big juicy sales. When you want them, you can't get them. So subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell for notifications. Click like and share. Leave a comment. I will link Michael's channel below in the description. Make sure you go check him out. He's a very talented mixed media artist from Germany, and he does some beautiful pastel portraits, and he just does it all. He's multi-talented, and I love watching his videos. Don't get to comment too often because I'm usually on a phone or an iPad, but he is wonderful. So check out all the links below, our Etsy shop, our Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies. Also the Parage Posse, our group, if you want to join. Answer the 3 questions and come on in. And also, we have an auction coming up April 6th. All of our paintings that we have available will be on auction. And that starts at 8 p.m. and that's a Saturday night. If you need more info, just hit me a message, and you can contact me through Facebook or through my email, ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. We'll be putting out a preview video sometime next week, and actually next weekend, I should say. And that will have the jewelry, the paintings, and the coasters that will be available for auction. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.